me, Webster. Help me. Here. Here. Hold it. Hold it. Oh. Come on, Webster. We gotta hurry. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. That wasn't very safe, Webster. I didn't like that. Hey! Hi, friends! How are you today? I hope that you're doing really good. Oh my goodness! I have been so busy, and I am so sorry that I have been so busy and not able to read to you, but guess what? I'm gonna read to you again. Oh! Who's this? This is my friend Webster. You want to say hi, Webster? Wiggle all of your 8 legs and say hi. He's my friend. He's been helping me do all this running around. But with all this running around, I have been so busy and not able to stop and say hi to you. Hi. So, guess what we're going to do? I'm going to take a breather in through my nose and out my mouth, and I'm going to drop everything, and I am going to read a book with you because I missed you and I want to read with you. So, today's book is The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. Are you ready? Hands up, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hands on your head, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hands on your shoulders, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hands on your tummy, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And hands together, let's read our story. Yay!
The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle.
The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. The Very Busy Spider. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. That is very long. Nay, nay! What animal makes that noise? That's the horse. The horse said, "Nay, nay! Want to go for a ride?" But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Moo, moo. What animal goes moo, moo? The cow. The cow asked, "Want to eat some grass?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Look at how much she's gotten done. Bah, bah. What animal goes like bah, bah? It's the sheep. Want to run in the meadow? What do you think the spider did? The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Ma, ma, said the goat. Want to jump on some rocks? But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. There she goes. Oink, oink. Who makes that noise? Grunted the pig. Want to roll in the mud? But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her, that's right, spinning her web. Who's that? What is that? What sound do you think he's gonna make? Woof, woof, barked the dog. Want to chase the cat? But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Meow, meow, cried the... You're right, the cat. Want to take a nap? But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Quack, quack, called the... What's this? Duck? Want to go for a swim? The spider didn't answer. She had now finished her web. Look at how beautiful her web looks. Wow, she worked very hard. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cried the rooster. Want to catch a pesky fly? And the spider caught the fly in her web, just like that. Look at that, she caught the fly. Oh, the stars are out. Do you think it's nighttime or daytime? I think it's nighttime too. Who asked the owl. Who built this beautiful web? The spider didn't answer. Shh. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. The end. Wow, friends, that was a really good book, right? Did you like it? What was your favorite animal in the book? Oh, mine was the dog. What was your favorite? Of course it was the spider. I should have known that. Wow, friends. Oh, wow. I think I found a spider web. Let's go see it. Come on. Let's see. Can you see the spider web? Wow. I think that spider was very busy working on her web. Maybe she was working on it while we were reading the book. Wow, how cool. Well, friends, I had a really fun time reading that book with you, and I hope to see you again very soon, okay? Bye.